What's up, guys? It's a Beast Gamer CR here. Today we are going to be playing Dying Light. Welcome back to Dying Light DLC / update video. So there is this new Left 4 Dead thing. Left 4 Dead 2, and you get a gnome that you have to craft. So I am going to make my way to the tower, but I would like to give a shout out to Best Gamer Ollie. He was the first YouTuber to make a video on this DLC. So I would like to thank him for even telling me that this DLC exists. I would not have known that this DLC exists if it wasn't for the Best Gamer Ollie. So in this DLC, you get a skin. His name is Bill. It's a character, but it's a skin at the same time. You go to characters in your backpack, and then you'll see a gnome. You'll see a gnome and a shotgun. Once you see a gnome and a shotgun, click on the shotgun, because that's the one that I'm pretty sure. And then if you click on the gnome, you have things to build it, obviously, if you haven't played Dying Light before. And this DLC is free, so if you don't have any, like if you're afraid that you won't be able to get the DLC because it costs too much money, well, you're wrong. The DLC is free. So I am going to jump up here.
What's the point of the airdrops?
Now, go in my backpack. I'm going to get outfit. Over. Okay, so I'm going to go to outfits. R2.
You won't find better deals in all of Haran.
So, Bill is on exotics. This is what Bill looks like. I am going to become Bill because the Halloween outfit is okay.
You won't find better stuff
Now
anywhere
I'm
else.
going to go to my storage. Machete, where? So now I'm gonna go to blueprints.
You won't find better stuff anywhere else.
Gnome Chomp Stinky. I need a little bit more duct tape, so yeah, I'm gonna get some free duct tape.
As soon as the crate hits the
And if
ground.
he doesn't give me enough free duct tape, sleep glit. Get my 2 dockets. And this premium docket, these dockets that I'm getting right now, these are not part of the DLC. I watched Beast Gamer Ollie's video, and he shows you how to get these things, and you have to watch them on the date they come out, or you can't get these dockets. Okay. Sleep glitch.
Rice. His men always put us together.
Now, sleep twice every single day. Okay, and now one more time. I need to stop changing my voice. Up. There.
What's the point of the airdrops?
Get everything, no duct tape.
No duct tape, but okay, let's go buy
Seize
some.
everything.
See if there is any duct tape. Oh, come on, I hate this man. Sleep twice.
Or you'll have to go loot.
Yeah, I don't want to loot right now, but I might have to. If I don't get 3 duct tape, I'm gonna... Okay, let's see if I can buy it. No, this man sucks.
Check for the mud cars. They can save your life.
Okay. Oh my god, this man sucks too. I'm just gonna go looting. I'm just gonna search some trash. I wonder where some baskets could be. Epic! So you obviously need all of that stuff that I showed on... One second. So I'm gonna go in here and see if Spike has any duct tape. Spike is a quartermaster too, I'm pretty sure. And if he's not, he's just like a quartermaster. Spike. Ooh, Spike, you suck. Oh, backpack.
Hey, keep a distance from Rises, mate.
Don't worry.
They just as
Zero
soon
will figure
shoot
something
you
out.
as you. Keep a lookout.
So I'm gonna look for the new shotgun, not Sheet Storm. Nope. Oh! So there are different types. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna look for some trash. At least I'm getting money instead of garbage. Okay, get run. I don't know where any crates are. So no. Okay, so I'm gonna check my backpack for any duct tape.
Trap set in the city. Traveling would be easier.
I am not Crane at all. I am not even close to Crane. No.
You won't find better deals in all of Haran.
Sleep glitch. I always have to try and buy. I always have to try and buy stuff. Wow, these guys have not been running out.
You want Anticin? Forget about the drops.
Okay, so serious, survivor. I will let him die.
Please go away. Don't want to hurt you. Please help me. God, they're trying to eat me. Please go away. Don't want to hurt you.
Duct tape!
Please help me. God, they're trying to eat me.
I think I can craft the golden gnome. Okay, blueprints. Nope, that was the blue gnome. Get more duct tape. More trash.
Please don't go. Please go away.
Nope, just bleach. I almost said just milk. Do not drink bleach, even if it looks like milk.
Please go away.
Oh,
Please help me. God, they're trying to eat me. Don't go, please don't go. Please go away. Don't want to hurt you.
okay, nope. Why would there be duct tape in the fridge? Oh yeah, I forgot. Super crane. Um. Okay, I do not need. Okay, I'm gonna run and then get up here so I can actually do something. I'm not Super Crane! Not even close to being Super Crane. Well, this game is lying. This thing. Kill some bodies. Can't kill some bodies because they're already dead. Nothing. Oh my god, get out of my face! Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken. There's nothing to search. Why am I getting the money? Darn it! Can't use it. just got myself stuck. And I wouldn't look in there first. Don't waste your time. There's a giant building up here. Going to no. Nothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually go up the building that I said I was gonna go up. I'm trying to get the gold gnome. Can I please just try and build the gold gnome? Campfire. So I wish I was super trained right now. There's duct tape. So I would show you the blue one, but like I really want that gold one, and like so that's why I'm searching everything. Okay, just need one more piece of duct tape. I am a great parkourist in Dying Light, because I would have fell normally. Please have duct tape. Kill, 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 kill. Stop. There. Nothing is duct tape. It's not like duct tape is rare. Like, since since I haven't done any missions, it's not too rare. Well, it. Cabinet? Of course, every cabinet. Box, 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 where are you? Oh. There. There's no hatch. I've already been there. Oh my God. Oh. I thought that was a trophy. With no duct tape, of course. Goodness, I'm bad at finding duct tape. Where's all this duct tape gone? People need to stock up their duct tape. Goodness. Yep, I've already been here. Hup. My box. I'm just gonna go across town. Where in the world is duct tape? Need to find some duct tape. job trying to get a golden gnome here. Nope. This is what the gnome looks like from when you're holding it. And where's this man? Where's that man? Where is that man that I... Oh, he's way over there. So since this is not the gold one, it's not as strong. So I'm gonna try and find a zombie. It's pretty strong. Not strong at all, actually. There. Wow. Now I'm gonna try and show. Are you sure about that? Oh my God, this man is a monkey. Monkey. Hey, come back, monkey. Come back, monkey. This man is a spaz. This is a spaz here. It's a spaz. Spaz man. Monkey man. No, he's gonna pick it up. Bruh, this man. This man sucks. I'm going to give this man this room because I'm gonna get the golden one. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. Bye, guys.